Electric motor. An electric motor is a fast rotating device that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy for useful work. Electric motor is main component of water pump, electric fans, coolers, refrigerators, mixers, washing machines, electric trains engine, etc. An electric motor, as shown in animation, consists of a rectangular coil ABCD of insulated copper wire. The coil is placed between the two poles of a magnetic field such that the arm AB and CD are perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. The ends of the coil are connected to the two halves P and Q of a split ring. The inner sides of these halves are insulated and attached to an axle. The external conducting edges of P and Q touch two conducting stationary brushes X and Y respectively. Current enters the motor through carbon brush X to arm AB of coil and turns back through CD and leaves to carbon brush Y. On applying Fleming's left-hand rule for the direction of force on a current-carrying conductor in a magnetic field, we find that the force acting on arm AB pushes it downwards while the force acting on arm CD pushes it upwards. At half rotation, Q makes contact with the brush X and P with brush Y. Therefore, the current in the coil gets reversed and flows along the path DCBA. The reversal of current also reverses the direction of force. Thus, the arm AB of the coil is now pushed up and the arm CD is now pushed down. Therefore, the coil and the axle rotates half a turn more in the same direction. The reversing of the current is repeated at each half rotation, giving rise to a continuous rotation of the coil and to the axle.